Hello, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clone your WhatsApp app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, so the process will be pretty easy. So just open settings, and here go down until you see advanced features, right here. And in this tab, just scroll down until you see the dual messenger right here. So just tap it. And here, as you can see in this function, the feature, we can enable the WhatsApp app. So let's just install it. And now if we, as you can see, we have WhatsApp, the original one here. And if we go to the app drawer, we'll find the second one. As you can see, this is the OG one, and this is the second, the cloned version. And these are separate instances, and you will be able to have two accounts there and different list of contacts and stuff like that. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.